Hi, my dear student. Today I am going to explain market research BCom 6th semester short answer questions in English version. Degrees. First question is degree of freedom. Here, actually, some values are independent, some values are dependent will be there. Here in the market research, these independent values are very important. It occupies the most important because of the it has so much power. So in calculation of the chi-square statistic and validity of the hypothesis, null and hypothesis. See, once I am reading the question first, it refers to the maximum number of logical independent values, which are values that have the freedom to vary in the data sample. Here see, in the data sample, it refers to the maximum number of logical independent values, which are values that have the freedom to vary in the data sample. Calculating degree of freedom is key when trying to understand the importance of chi-square statistics and validity of the null and hypothesis. So next question is research design. A research design is a blueprint describing how to conduct a research project. Here in every research, here in marketing research means marketing research is a project, no? So here it is a blueprint, just a simple one word only, blueprint describing the how to conduct the a research project. It is a plan which estimates are to be computed, how they are computed and how models are to be tested and refined. So here it is very clearly written here how to conduct the research project. It is a plan which estimates are to be computed and how they are to be computed, how models are to be. See, it's very easiest question, research design. Then next come to measurement. Measurement. It is the process of observing and recording the observations that are collected as part of research effort. In levels of measurements are nominal measurement, ordinal measurement, internal and ratio measurement. Here observing, it is the what is the measurement, observing and recording observations. Here see, the key points will be there. We need to observe every time because very close observation, and you need to recording the observations, that is called you can measure, that are collected as part of research effort. So here what is it here meaning? Measurement means observing your main key points, recording the key points that are again you need to measure, which are very useful, which are not useful. Here these are the four types: nominal measurement, ordinal measurement, interval and ratio management. Next question is nominal scale. Here see, nominal scale, it is the lowest measurement and used to categorize data without order. Here see, very clearly it was written, categorize data. For data you are categorizing without order. Here that is only main important. If here we will collect lots of data, here without categorizing, without order, the data is returning. For your market research data analysis exercise, a typical nominal scale is derived from the simple yes or no questions. Here in this only long questions won't be there in your research, marketing research. It will be simple questions will be there. Those are the yes or no question. Next question is t-test. It is used by market research companies to access if their data has come from the same population. If they occurred chance, it is one of the hypothesis testing. However there are t-test. It is used market research company to access if their data has come from the same population. Same population means repeat from that people's only asking questions and getting that information is called t-test. That is called t-test. So here many other methods also there, not only t-test, z-test, f-test, chi-square test, etc. So here repeatedly asking the same peoples or different subject is called that one. Then next question is you see scaling. Scales are used frequently in marketing research because they help convert qualitative information into quantitative data. Here qualitative information, here actually there are data will be all data is not important. Some in data is there qualitative information into that you need to convert into quantitative data, numbers that can be satisfactorily analyzed. So here thoughts will be there, feelings, opinion. Actually the data includes thoughts, feelings, opinions, but in this some thoughts are waste thoughts will be there, feelings will be there, opinions useless. But some thoughts are the very, some people will speak very useful opinions they will give about the market product. So that you need to scaling that data. Okay, that is called scaling, analyzing, and these are the key points. So you need to write. The next question is what? Questionnaire are used as a part of market research to gather data that is crucial to the success of a specific business venture. Here this is actually one of the type of the method of collection of data. Here simple questionnaires will be there, means you need to prepare some 10 questions. Next, what about this? Yes or no. Here again, which product you are using? Yes or no. Next, like that, some questions you are preparing questions and again asking, gathering information, that one there. So this is also very marketing survey questionnaire is the very convenient to take the information from the both the parties. Primary data, it is information collected through original first hand research. For example, surveys. On the other hand, secondary data, like that. Primary data means who are collected the data, that is called primary data basically. Next, branching questionnaire. It is a question design technique used to survey research that utilizes skip patterns to ensure that respondents are asked only those events that apply them. Then next, one more is a very important question: double barrel questions. Double barrel questions means in interview that that important peoples they'll ask, don't ask me double barrel question. So they will use frequently this word. So what is the meaning? Double barrel question, it means when you ask two questions but allow for only one response, it is used to research, survey, etc. It is the question that touches upon the more than one issue. Means actually interviewer should ask only one question, one by one. But sometimes interviewer person, he will ask at a time 2-3 questions. That is called double barrel questions. Okay, so that is also important one. Next, non-sampling errors. Here see, non-sampling errors are much harder to quantify than sampling errors. Here some are the sample errors will be there, non-sampling errors also there. Non-sampling errors means that deviations of estimates from their true values that are not function of the sample chosen, including the various systematic errors and random errors. Next question you see, projection technique, and again probing questionnaire. Then next, observation. What is observation? Then next question, pre-launch survey. Then green marketing. What is green marketing? Next one, see, these all are the important questions in short answers. Okay, so those are cyber marketing, copy design. Next, features of experimental design, manipulation, like this.